To replace this window seal, I'm going to use a plastic trim tool, and there's a clip right here on this side. Actually, it's more like right here. And I'm just going to gently pry up. That pops out. The other side popped out as well. If not, you can just do the same thing and pry it up, remove it, and throw it away. Then you get your new one, and the only thing to pay attention to is this wiper retainer here. There's a seal, and if you don't pry it away, see, it wants to go back behind it, so just make sure it goes in front of the window seal, kind of like that. Press it down into place, line it up, and just go along, make sure it's secure. There we go, that's snapped into place, and perfect.